If you think all work lights are the same, wait until you see these powerful portable options that will change how you work after dark. The Zatunlo 21,000 lumen LED work light immediately caught my attention with its impressive brightness and sturdy design. Have you ever started a job only to realize your lighting isn't up to the task? This model solves that problem effortlessly. This work light features a solid metal stand that allows for easy angle adjustments, making it versatile for different tasks. The intense 21,000 lumens output is genuinely bright, illuminating large workspaces with minimal shadows. Its cooling system keeps it from overheating during extended use, which is a thoughtful touch. Using it felt like having daylight indoors, which made detailed tasks much easier and less tiring for my eyes. The portability combined with powerful lighting gave me confidence to work late without compromising quality. One minor consideration is its weight. It's a bit heavier than some other models, so it might not be ideal if you need something ultra-light. If you want a reliable, bright work light that stands firm and keeps shining throughout your shift, Zatunlo's offering is definitely worth a spot in your toolkit. Yoto's 30,000 lumen LED work light promises extreme brightness, and it delivers on that front with ease. Have you ever wished your work light could replace daylight entirely? This might be the closest you get. The unit comes with a robust tripod stand that's adjustable in height, perfect for positioning the light exactly where it's needed. At 30,000 lumens, the illumination is intense without being harsh thanks to its diffused lens technology. The build quality feels premium, and it has a surprisingly compact footprint when folded. Using it made working in dim or outdoor conditions a breeze. It transformed my workspace into a well-lit zone, allowing me to focus without struggling with shadows or dim spots. The rechargeable feature also means no annoying cables getting in the way. On the downside, the battery runtime is decent, but not exceptional, so for very long shifts, having a backup power source might be necessary. If you want the brightest, most versatile portable light for your projects, Yoto's offering is a powerhouse that won't let you down. The Hotline rechargeable work light stands out as a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. Ever needed a dependable light for quick tasks without dragging bulky equipment around? This one fits the bill perfectly. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, with a rechargeable battery that provides good runtime for its size. The light output is solid, bright enough for close-up work, and the adjustable stand lets you direct the beam precisely where needed. The simplicity of the design makes it very user-friendly. What I appreciated most was how effortless it was to recharge and deploy in a flash, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor quick fixes. It's not blindingly bright, but enough to brighten up a small workspace effectively. The only downside is that it won't cover very large areas or replace more powerful lights for heavy-duty jobs. For anyone looking for a practical, no-fuss work light that's easy on the wallet, Hotline hits the sweet spot between price and performance. The Ogre rechargeable camping light surprised me with its multifunctionality. This is more than just a work light. It's a reliable companion for outdoor adventures and work alike. Have you ever wanted a light that adapts to both work zones and camping setups? Its soft but bright LED output is adjustable, and the sturdy stand is perfect for setting it anywhere you need. The rechargeable battery lasts impressively long, and the compact design makes it easy to transport. Plus, the light has a pleasant warm tone that avoids harsh glare. When using it, I noticed how comfortable it was for the eyes during extended use, making it ideal for both work and relaxation. It's also very intuitive to operate, which adds to its appeal. If I had to point out something, the light intensity might not satisfy someone needing extremely bright illumination for detailed construction tasks. Still, if you want a versatile, portable light that can handle work and leisure without fuss, the Ogre is a solid all-rounder worth considering. The JCL GL LED construction string light brings a unique approach to workspace illumination. Have you ever tried string lights for construction? This product combines flexibility and coverage in a way that traditional lights can't. It features a durable string of LED bulbs designed to hang easily across work areas, providing consistent, even lighting over extended spaces. The bulbs are well protected against weather and impact, ideal for rugged environments. The setup is straightforward, and the power cord is long enough to cover significant distances. Using this string light made me realize how much better a large work zone feels when lit evenly, reducing shadows and blind spots drastically. It's perfect for construction sites, garages, or even outdoor events. That said, it's not a single powerful spotlight, so if you need pinpoint-focused illumination, you might want to supplement it with other lights. If your projects require broad, uniform lighting that you can Hang and forget about JCLGL's string light is a game changer you should try. Pacolet's 10,000 lumen LED portable work light is a surprisingly capable unit at a very attractive price. Have you ever found yourself needing a quick and bright solution without spending a fortune? This light delivers exactly that. It packs a solid 10,000 lumens in a compact, lightweight frame, making it easy to carry and position. The stand is simple but effective, allowing for multiple angles, and the design is rugged enough to handle everyday job site use. The beam is bright and focused, cutting through darkness effectively. When I tested it, I was impressed by how much light it put out for the price, making small and medium projects much easier to manage after sunset. Its portability also means you can take it anywhere without hassle. Of course, being a budget model, it lacks some advanced features like adjustable color temperature or extended battery life. Still, if you want a no-nonsense, bright work light that won't break the bank, Pacolet's option is a smart buy you won't regret. The WooFody LED work light with stand offers a great balance of brightness and portability that caught my eye right away. Are you tired of bulky, hard-to-adjust lights that never seem to point where you want? This one solves that problem nicely. Its sturdy stand supports the light firmly, and the adjustable head lets you target your workspace precisely. The brightness level is comfortable yet powerful, offering clear visibility without overwhelming glare. The design is compact and easy to carry with a decent rechargeable battery life. When using it, I felt how much easier it was to focus on detailed work thanks to the consistent shadow-free lighting it provides. It's ideal for both professional and DIY tasks. The only slight drawback is that the battery charging time could be faster, but that's a minor trade-off for the convenience it offers. If you want a reliable, well-designed portable work light that adapts to your needs, WooFody's model is a trustworthy companion for every project.